Hey everyone, how you doing? So I'm here with another video. Today I'm going to make this string art. You can make it easily. So for that you need to follow some steps and you can give it your customized look. And don't you worry, it's looking difficult but it's very easy to make. If you are watching my video for the very first time, then do consider subscribing and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So thank you so much for your valuable time and let's get started. So first of all, take 3 mm plywood and I'm using a chopping board. You can choose any size, it depends on your work and design. Now I'm going to make a shade out of black and white. So you can make any shade with 2 or more colors. Now take a flat brush to hide the board if you want. Now I am making pattern with the help of pencil, scale and compass. Now make the marks for the nailing. I'm using 1.5-inch nail and it's totally depends on your board and on your design what you're gonna make. Now take a hammer and start hitting the nail, but make sure it's on right mark you have made. And guys, make sure that your nails are sharp enough and the wood board is in good quality, otherwise it will take you more than a day. So don't repeat the mistake guys I have done already, because my wood board is not good enough and the nail quality is also bad. Once you finish the nail work, then thread work will easy for you. It will not even take more than 2 hours. But nailing is very hard, it's taking too much of time. So make sure the quality matters. Standing since morning and right now I'm deadly tired. Now it's almost complete. So as you can see guys, nail work is finally completed and it's looking really amazing as you can see, and total nails are 120. Now rest of the things are easy and quick. So for winding you can use the yarn thread, it's more comfortable, and if you are thinking to use the silk thread, it's more difficult to wind. So make sure you choose the right one, the right thread. Now take the black thread and wind it in the crisscross. So now I'm going to color on the top of the nails to make it more attractive. So as you can see guys, it's looking more beautiful after color. Now push the threads down to make more space. So now start with the orange color. And make sure after completing, push the threads down to make space, just like this. So now you can easily see the gap between top of the nail and between the thread. So now I'm going to take the last final color, yellow. You just follow these easy steps and I must say you can do better than me. And guys, if you like my work, please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification first, and leave the feedback in comment section. I'm waiting guys. So yeah, keep watching. Guys, here's the final look and it's looking amazing on the accent wall. Let me know in the comment section if you try this guys, and if you have any query regarding this. Thanks for the watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, keep trying.